everyone, I'm back with another bra video. If we haven't met, I'm Arpitha. I create fashion styling, lookbooks and some lifestyle videos on my channel. Based on the comments under my previous bra videos, today I'm going to share the importance of the beginner's bra and the correct age to start wearing first bra. But before we begin, take a moment to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out these kind of super informative videos.
You can find me at Arpitharai on Instagram for daily fashion inspiration.
Chalo, let's begin. When is the correct age to start wearing a bra? This is the most asked question. Many of us think that my daughter will wear the bra when she is 16 years old. Until then, let her be free. That is totally wrong way of thinking. Wearing a bra is not at all related to age. Each kid will grow differently depending on their hormones. The right age to start wearing bra is when the kid starts growing breast buds. Here is a picture to show what breast buds are. It will happen around age 8 to 14 years. This is the right time to start wearing beginner's bra. But most mothers think their girls can wear a bra at the age of 15 or 16 and they start giving them regular cotton bras. These bras are like how the mothers wear them. Those does not suit the kids at all. When I was young, I used to secretly try my mom's bras that are too big for me. I used to struggle to understand how they are worn. The hooks at the back used to poke, the straps on the shoulder pulling. It was totally new and difficult to understand. I didn't know when to ask my mom for a bra. When breast buds start showing through the tops, many kids may make fun of them. So beginner's bra is a good choice to start with. When I was young, all these things were not there. Nowadays, there are so many options to choose from. Initially, kids will feel shy to wear all these things, but when they are not visible through their dress, they will feel comfortable. You can buy basic colors like white, black, and nude. You should teach your kid the importance of wearing a bra. Let me tell you the advantages to share with them. Beginner's bras are easy to wear. They can wear them as they wear a t-shirt. There are no hooks at the back to struggle with. There are light removable pads inside that will help cover the breast buds. There is no underwire. It will be easy for them to run around and play. It will be like a slip under the t-shirt. The backside band is wide enough to keep it in place. It is not very thin as in the regular bra and there are no hooks. Choose cotton fabric so it will be breathable and easy on the skin.
If you are planning to buy them online, make sure to check the written policies. Try them on to check if the bra fits comfortably.
Make sure to keep your daughter involved in the shopping process. If they choose the bra, they will like to wear it. Nowadays, girls choose to wear different kinds of clothes, makeup, different hairstyles and all. Most mothers also like their girls to look pretty. Make sure to teach them about bras for their health benefits. It will avoid any kind of future breast related problems. Don't look at only outside beauty. Teach them the importance of the bras. Don't avoid bras thinking they are of no use. Your kids will thank you when they grow up. There is another video where I speak about beginner's bra. I'll leave the link in the description box. Go check it out. I've created different kinds of bra related videos on my channel. I will leave those links in the description box. Check them out next. If you are interested to buy any beginner's bras, I've left some links in the description box. You can check them out. Hope this video is helpful to you. If you have learned something from it, give this video a thumbs up. Now a question to you. Do you think beginner's bra is useful? Write yes or no in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell next to it. The more subscribers I get, the more and better content I can create. So subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.